In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find CapCut ID. We'll walk through this together from start to finish. So even if you're new to CapCut or not very techy, you'll be able to follow along easily. Your CapCut ID is a unique identifier connected to your account. It's often needed when you're contacting support, managing your account, or linking CapCut with other tools or platforms. So knowing where to find it can save you a lot of time and confusion later on. First, open CapCut and log into your account. You can do this on a desktop browser by going to the CapCut website and signing in, or through the desktop app if you have it installed. Make sure you enter your correct login details and complete any verification steps like a code or a security check if CapCut asks for that. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard or home screen, where you usually see your projects or editing workspace. Now, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be a profile picture if you've set one, or it could just be a default avatar or your initials. Move your mouse over that profile icon and click it. When you click on it, a small drop-down menu will appear. In that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Sometimes it might say Account Settings or something similar, but it will clearly refer to settings related to your account. Click on Settings, and then give the page a moment to load. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a few seconds, so just wait until everything fully appears before you continue. Once the settings or account page has finished loading, you'll be taken to a section that shows your account information. Here, CapCut lists details related to your profile and login. Take a moment to scroll if needed and look for a section labeled ID. Directly under that label, you'll find User ID. That value is your CapCut ID. You don't need to change anything here. You're just viewing the information. If you need this ID for support, collaboration, or integration with other tools, you can simply copy it or write it down somewhere safe so you can refer back to it later. And that's it. That's all you need to do to find your CapCut ID.